Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pallavi and in today's video I'm going to show you a mini makeup haul. I ordered few products from flipkart.com, so I wanted to show you guys what all I ordered. So all the products are in affordable range, so if you want to order for you can definitely check them out. I'll put all the links in the description box. If you want to buy, you can buy them. So I ordered 2 eyeshadow palette and a concealer palette and 1 eyeliner, so that's why it is a mini makeup haul, guys. So I ordered 4 products. So first product is this Day to Night LA Color eyeshadow palette. This palette is really beautiful. It is a very small chotu kind of palette. I'll show you the colors. So guys, it has got beautiful shades. I hope you can see here, or else I'll put a picture. The shades are really beautiful, guys. All the shades are dark in color, only the white one, I think it will act as a base color for eyeshadow. So why I ordered this one? Because I needed a silver eyeshadow palette. So it has got 3 shades of silver, which is really great. And yeah, if you are going for a night party or something, you can definitely use this palette, and it is in affordable range, which is great. They give this brush with it. I want to mention one thing, which is a very big disappointment. This particular palette was empty when I received the product. It was everywhere. So the eyeshadow came off and it was all over the places. So this is how I received the product, and I guess Flipkart is not taking care of the delivery thing, because I'm facing a lot of problem from past 1 month. I don't know you guys are facing the same thing or not, but anyway, if you want to order it, you can definitely go for it. I think I paid 300 to 350 for this mini palette. So yeah, it retails for, I think, yeah, it is printed that it is of 495 rupees, but I paid only 333, I guess. I'm not sure. I'll put all the pictures and you can check them out. So yeah guys, this was the first thing which I ordered. And second is this concealer palette. This is for Mars all-round contour palette. So guys, you can use it as a concealer, contour or corrector. The orange shade can color correct your face. It has got contour palette also, guys, you can see here, and it is really beautiful. I just used this palette and the blending and it was getting blended really effortlessly, so I give 5-star to this palette. You can definitely check them out, and it is in affordable range also, guys. I think I paid kind of 400, or I don't remember. I'll put the screenshot of the product. Okay, so it is definitely a great thing. You can definitely buy for you if you want to, if you like to contour and color correct your face. I like to do it, so I ordered this palette for me, and it is really good, guys. The third product is this SFR eyeshadow palette. So it has got some beautiful shades, guys. You can see I've applied on my eyes right now. These 2 shades I've applied on my eyes, okay, currently, and this look is on my Instagram IGTV. If you want to check out, definitely go and follow me on my Instagram. I have applied these 2 shades, guys. It has worked like magic. I really like the texture and the pigmentation of it. It is really good, guys, and this palette is really affordable. I think I paid only 133 rupees, which is amazing. If you want to know the pigmentation, I'll swatch few colors for you. So I'll swatch this color. It is really creamy and so good, guys. I really liked it. So you can see the shades, guys. I hope you can see this. Yeah, so this is really good, guys. And yeah, 5-star to this product. Last product is this Shine waterproof eyeliner from Malayo. I don't know how it is pronounced. Malayo. Yeah. So this eyeliner is also really good. I'll swatch it for you. You can aram se apply. See, it is got so soft brush. It is a brush, guys, so you can apply easily. It is really good product, guys. I'll put the link in the description box if you want to check it. I don't know if it is out of stock or not, but yeah, you can buy this one if you're looking for a green eyeliner. This is the product, guys. If you want to buy a good green eyeliner, then go for this one. So these were the 4 products which I ordered. So I hope you liked this video, guys, and if you liked it, then don't forget to press on the like button, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So I'll see you in my next video. Till then, keep watching, keep loving. Bye bye.